More news coming in. This has got to do with those ugly protests that we had seen at the India Summit, AI Summit. Heat is now on the Youth Congress chief. Delhi cops summoned the Youth Congress chief. Cops to grill Youth Congress chief Uday Bhanu. Cops probe planning and the plot for the topless tour that we had seen at Bharat Mandapam just a few days ago. Images on your screens at this point in time, even as the protesters continue to be detained by the police. Listen in.
तो हम लॉ को फॉलो करेंगे।
सर, तो आपको भी पूछना है
जी,
क्या कहा है?
अभी देखते हैं, अभी पता चलता है।
हो रहा था।
अभी बताता हूँ, पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट था। अभी देखते हैं क्या इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए बुलाया, फिर आपसे बात करते हैं। तो हम लॉ को फॉलो करेंगे।
सर, तो आपको भी पूछना है
जी,
क्या कहा है?
अभी देखते हैं, अभी पता चलता है।
हो रहा था।
अभी बताता हूँ, पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट था। अभी देखते हैं क्या इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए बुलाया, फिर आपसे बात करते हैं।
All right, so Uday Bhanu has been summoned by the Delhi police for the investigations. Remember, the members of the Youth Congress there protested shirtless, topless. In fact, this happened at Bharat Mandapam in Delhi when the India AI Summit. Of course, the investigations continue. The cops would be grilling the Youth Congress chief Uday Bhanu at this point in time about the plot for this topless tour. Of course, the BJP, the Prime Minister himself has condemned this protest that took place in Delhi's Bharat Mandapam. I'm going straight across, in fact, to Maushmi for more details. Of course, this has brought a fair amount of embarrassment to the country as well. The Delhi police continues to investigate, Maushmi, this matter, even as the youth chief of the Congress is now getting summoned by the police here.
That's right, and we are stationed right outside the Tilak Marg police station, Sneha, where you can see that it's not a usual scene of affairs. Lots of police personnel deployed right in front. You can see Akshay Lakra, one of the Youth Congress Delhi wing leaders, right inside. Apparently, it come out to say that Uday Bhanu is being interrogated and he is cooperating with the police investigation. Now, Uday Bhanu is the Youth Congress president, and right here we saw lots of Youth Congress workers assemble here, though outside there's a strict police cordon, and the police is trying to, trace the links of the entire protest, whether there was a larger conspiracy, where were the t-shirts printed. So various angles of investigation. Of course, this entire issue's got a new political storm brewing after Prime Minister Narendra Modi slammed that protest. So we don't see this dying down easily, because right close on the heels, Rahul Gandhi is meeting the newly appointed NSUI president Vinod Jhakar, which is the other youth wing, students wing of the Congress party, and it's unlikely that the Congress top brass is going to back out on this one.
Well, absolutely. Also, Mosmi, this, as we've been seeing, has become an issue of hot political debate here, with even allies of the Congress party not backing over what happened in Bharat Mandapam, isn't it?
That's right, Sneha. That notwithstanding, because we've seen the Prime Minister thank the allies of the Congress for criticizing that protest, but on the other hand, the Congress top brass, whether it's the media department or several leaders have defended this entire protest, saying that the gravity of the allegations called for that protest. Now, just look across the road. We are seeing a lot of buses coming in for detention, perhaps. Lots of additional security being called out here at the Tilak Marg police station. We saw the top Delhi police personnel actually come in and out. So it's going to be a day-long affair, I assume. Perhaps we'll have to wait and see whether Uday Bhanu is also arrested by the Delhi police, because the four others have been put into police custody, and two of them hail from Bihar, one from Uttar Pradesh and one from Telangana. So we are told by our Congress sources that several youth Congress outfits from across the country are being called into the national capital.
I'm going to go across. In fact, Maushmi, be with us.